Hi, I'm Dr. Vinita Arora. I'm Director and Head of Cardiac Electrophysiology at Max Hospital, Saket, New Delhi. Today, let's talk about cardiac electrophysiology. What is cardiac electrophysiology? When I'm asked this question, my mind also starts thinking that people are not aware of my branch at all. Let me give you an example. Have you ever observed that when you walk fast or you go and do a strenuous exercise in gym, or you are under a lot of stress, does your heartbeat go fast? And does it go fast so much that you feel that it is like racing of the horse, or it is uncontrollably giving you discomfort? The symptoms associated with this are that you may have perspiration, you may feel sinking, you may feel a kind of a loss of energy, reeling of the head. Some people even faint. This is not something normal, this is abnormal, and this is abnormal heartbeat what you are having. So the people who treat this abnormal heartbeat are called cardiac electrophysiologists. This heartbeat can be coming from your normal system, or there may be an extra wire in your heart which is giving you trouble. So many times this faster heartbeat and the symptoms associated with it have been labeled as panic attacks by people, especially because they happen in young people, they happen in females, and they totally go unnoticed. It is important for us to understand these symptoms so that you can get a treatment. The treatment of this thing is radiofrequency ablation, and it is a procedure which makes you free of these symptoms. There are very few things in medical profession which have a permanent cure. God has given you a problem, and God has given you a solution to never go and see a doctor again for this problem. But be aware of this, that if you get any of these symptoms like heartbeat racing fast along with perspiration, feeling low, out of energy, having a near sinking feeling, or even succumbing to that sinking feeling and having fainting episodes, then go and see a cardiac electrophysiologist. Now, another thing which has come to my notice is that people who do gymming, nowadays gym has become a fad. Everybody wants to have a good body, everybody wants to feel fit. These youngsters are taking actually supplements and some medication, some powders without consulting a doctor. To make a good body, you have replacement proteins so that you don't feel out of energy and weak after the exercise. Some stimulants are given to you. These drugs and these medications, I do not know what exactly they are. They are giving benefit or not, but they are giving a lot of side effects. We've had so many patients coming to us with a faster heartbeats and having a scar in the heart once you do their MRI. And this is only related to their gymming, which is a change which they have taken in their lifestyle. Kindly be very, very cautious about not eating or taking any kind of injections without the prescription of your doctor, and save yourself from all the side effects of these medications. Now, when I say radiofrequency ablation, what do I mean? It's a term which is very, very tricky. Now, till you understand it, the radiofrequency ablation means you are taken to the cath lab, you make to lie down flat on the table, and from the leg veins, we put in multiple catheters inside the heart. The way you do the ECG of above the surface of the body, this is the ECG from inside the heart. They are called electrograms. We take the electrograms, we map them, and then we look at the site from where the faster heartbeat is arising, and we take care of that site by doing radiofrequency ablation. We give the heat to the level of radiofrequency, and we disconnect the extra wire which is present in the heart to give you a permanent cure for this problem. There are no significant precautions which need to be taken after that. You don't have to see the doctor, cardiac electrophysiologist again after this cure. And anything in eating or lifestyle modification is not required. You can have a normal lifestyle, you can exercise, you can walk around as any other normal person after this procedure, and you never have to see a doctor again. Isn't that amazing? Thank you.